Hi friends, the pandemic has brought about a big change in our lives and lifestyle. A prominent feature of this change is maintaining distance. So, today, in a series of vocabulary magic, we bring you two words that refer to distance. Can you guess what they are? Farther and further. Before we learn how to use them, we will test our knowledge. Pause your video and take this quiz. We will learn how and where to use these words and then check the answers at the end of the video. Let's find out. Both these words are used to mean a greater distance. However, when it's physical distance, farther is the preferred word. Farther is used as an adjective and adverb. Check it in an example. Here, farther is used as an adjective. Tom's house is farther away than Jim's house. The shop is at the farther end of the pier. Check the function of farther as an adverb. You will have to drive a little farther to reach the top of the hill. He walked farther down the lane and then turned right. Have you understood how to use farther? Let's look at the word further. Further is used to talk about distance, symbolic distance, additionally, and as a verb. As mentioned earlier, further may also be used to talk of physical distance, but farther is the preferred word. Referring to the example we used earlier, Tom's house is further away than Jim's house. We use further and not farther to talk about a figurative or a symbolic distance. We will check the examples. He lied to his wife and felt himself being sucked further and further into a vortex of lies and deceit. We will let the matter go no further. Nothing can be further from the truth. Further is also used to mean additionally or moreover. Examples are, further to the discussion we had last Friday, I am writing to confirm our order of 200 gifts item. This kind of language is used in very formal written English communication. We have just received further information about the missing car. Mr. Patil was annoyed that his son had gone without his consent, and he was further annoyed when he discovered that he had taken his car. Further, unlike farther, can function as a verb. As a verb, to further means to promote or advance. As in, taking an extra course will give you a chance to further your career. Working systematically and producing results will further your chance of promotion. I hope you have understood the similarity and difference between these two words. Now, it's time to check the answers of the quiz you took in the beginning. The first one. Oh, I am tired. I can go no further. The answer is further because you cannot walk more. The second one. Your campaign will surely further the cause of the community. Here, the word further is used as a verb. Third, the boat sailed farther and farther away until we could see them no more. Reference is distance. 4. Look no further. The answer is right here. Here it is symbolic distance. 5. My aunt's house is further or farther down the road. Since it refers to distance, using either word is right. Now let's sum up what we just learnt. Further and farther can both refer to physical distance, but farther is preferred. For symbolic distance, we use further. We use further to indicate more or additional. Only further may be used as a verb meaning promote or move forward. Here is a small tip. If you can measure the distance, use farther. If you can't, then use further. I hope today's video was helpful. For any further queries, lessons, suggestions, please contact us at the description given. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get notification, like and share the video. Stay at home, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.